Good morning, friends. Topic number 20. Don't lose the child within. Now, what is the meaning of that? Now, we all are having a small child within ourselves, right? Small child in terms of we have a childish brain somewhere within us who always want to cry, always want to laugh, always want to irritate somebody, want to do funny things, and so on, right? So the topic says that do not lose that child from within yourself, right? As the time passes and the time as the time passes and we grow, we always day by day we get matured. Day by day we understand and realize new things in life, and our parents always keep teaching us behave well, do things properly, be in disciplined manner, and of course it is required also in our life, no doubt in that. But as the time passes, we grow, become matured, okay, somewhere or the other way we start losing the very person which we had within ourselves, right? It is also very right that we have to behave in a disciplined manner at certain places, and we have to be always good at we have to provide our behavior as demanded at different places. But at the same time, in this hustle bustle of life, we should not forget who actually we are. We should not be some person who always try to pretend what which you are actually not, right? So what I'm saying is that just be the real person that you are. If a particular place demands from you a kind of different behavior, of course show it, but at the same time make it sure that do not forget that very real person which always there inside you. All right. For example, if let's say for example I am a principal of a school, and what kind of the behavior is expected from principal towards the student, right? Well behaved, well disciplined, doing things appropriately, being punctual at his time. All right. So all of those things, right? That's very correct. In the school, I can definitely showcase that kind of behavior from my end. But if the same behavior if I carry at my home, well, it will not be liked by my wife, my parents, my family, my children's, right? So this will not be liked by that. Okay. So we have to make it sure that we put up our behavior at the right places, and do not forget to live that child which you always had within yourself. Do not forget to laugh, do not forget to cry, do not forget to irritate the things at times when you want to, right? Just because of the profession you carry, do not forget the very person that you are, right? And that's what it means, that do not lose the child within. Always do the things which you always wanted to do, and do not be that person that you are not doing those die-hearted wanted things just because of your profession. Well, it should not happen with you, right? So when you know that the very child within inside you wants to play, laugh, and enjoy with the society, of course you can go and do it, but at the same particular time you have to make it sure that you do follow your profession as well, right? So you have to make it sure that you are enjoying your life, right? Do not lose that child. Do not forget to laugh, right? Because laughing is something which is the best medicine in the world, which will keep you happy always, right? So just be that person that you are always, right? And do not lose that child which is always there inside you, who wants to interact with people, who wants to share his love towards the people, who wants to be the most kindest person in the entire world. So just be that person and do not lose the child within. Thank you so much for patient listening. I'll see you in the next video.